Hello everyone, we are here to learn how to create a new composition in After Effects. It's actually very easy to do it. So the first option you have, you can click over here to create a new composition, and this little screen will open up. You can choose your preset over here. So we have the size of the composition, the aspect ratio, the pixel aspect ratio, and the frame rate and the duration. If these settings please you, you can click OK, and here you are, is your new composition. We have another way to do it, it's clicking here, so the same screen will open up with the same settings. You click OK. Alright, that's it, very easy. And now we have another way. You can open your Finder and you choose footage, import this footage, and with this footage you can drag it here to create a new composition from footage, and automatically you create it. But in this option you have to pay attention, because the composition that After Effects will create it will be the same settings that your footage. So my footage, it's 5994 frame rate, its duration is 1430. So if you want to change this, you can open composition settings, and you want to do a minute clip, you can change it here. It's very easy. See, now the composition has 1 minute. That's it. Those are the way to create a composition. I hope you like it, and subscribe to this channel for more lessons. Thank you.